so clean. Great location within walking distance of many stores. Very close to the Grand Canyon of PA, beautiful. Stopped in for an overnight stay. Room was clean and spacious. Staff was very friendly and helpful. Great location for walking distance to downtown interests. For America, very clean and very well maintained. Enjoy a splash in the outdoor pool at Sherwood Motel. At Sherwood Motel, you'll find an array of fantastic sports facilities to keep you active and entertained during your stay. Dive into the refreshing waters of our outdoor pool, the perfect spot to cool off on a hot summer's day. Whether you're a seasoned swimmer or just looking to relax and unwind, our pool is the ideal. Take a dip in the crystal clear waters and feel the stress melt away as you swim a few laps or simply float on your back. The pool area is surrounded by lush greenery, creating a tranquil and serene atmosphere. Soak up the sun on one of the comfortable loungers by the poolside, or our outdoor pool is not only a great place to relax, but it also provides a fun and energetic environment for families and friends. Kids can splash around in the shallow end while parents can keep a watchful eye from the poolside seating area. Whether you're seeking a refreshing swim or a fun-filled day in the sun, the outdoor pool at Sherwood Motel is sure to exceed your expectations. Convenience at your fingertips. Sherwood Motel's exceptional facilities. Sherwood Motel in Wellsboro, United States, offers an array of convenience facilities. Whether you're a business traveler or a leisure guest, having access to Wi-Fi is essential, and Sherwood Motel understands this. The convenience of having Wi-Fi available in public areas allows you to stay productive and connected even when you're not in your room. Additionally, the provision of free Wi-Fi in all rooms means that you can enjoy uninterrupted internet access. At Sherwood Motel, convenience is a top priority, and the availability of Wi-Fi in both public areas and all rooms ensures that you have everything you need at your fingertips. Stay connected, stay productive, and make the most of your stay at this exceptional hotel. Convenient and complimentary car park at Sherwood Motel. At Sherwood Motel, we understand the importance of hassle-free travel, and that's why we provide a convenient and complimentary car park for our guests. Our spacious car park is available free of charge, ensuring that you can park your vehicle without worrying about any additional costs. Whether you're traveling with a compact car or an SUV, our car park can accommodate vehicles of all sizes. With ample parking space available, you can rest assured knowing that your vehicle is secure while you enjoy your stay.